So I came to the realization that I haven't really done anything creative for like a year now. So I kind of made a personal challenge. I'm going to write a song weekly. That's the goal. So I came home from work today and did this, and we'll call it week 1. And the only people that know look on from a distance, hoping what they see is different from what they've been told. I hold my breath and take my place in life, hoping I can find a way out of this trouble I managed to find. But if I take on too much more, there's just no way that I can be sure. And if I don't follow through, I did this all and I do it all again for you. And all the plans I made, every waking day are put off and replaced with recurring mistakes. My heart's always been in the right place. Just know before we let you down, that was never my intention. Too much more, there's just no way that I can be sure. And if I don't follow through, I did it all and I do it all again for you. Thank you.